So I'm here with the Weber workshop stand, and we're gonna get a live demo. Right? So this is your new French press, correct?
Yeah, this is the new Weber French press. You could say it's French press. Oh.
So yeah, they're gonna give us the live demo with the new Weber French press.
Thank you.
Look at the front still. It's hard when it's black.
Yes, right? Just get so. That's good.
Alrighty.
So the liquid gold.
Which coffee are you using it again?
So we are using the coffee from our farm.
Okay.
So we are a farm located in Ecuador.
Okay, Ecuador.
We are Finca La Soledad, yeah. And right now we're gonna do a beautiful floral fruity geisha wash.
Geisha wash. They're gonna put a geisha wash.
Yes, sir.
We're doing this.
No, geisha wash.
Oh.
Again, we are doing geisha wash using the new Weber French press.
So I can tell you confidently, I love the Weber bird. Douglas was so kind to send one to a producing country like Ecuador, and we just geeking on it every single time, and I just love it. For me, it's very consistent, and it's like a AeroPress and a French press had a baby, and that baby had another baby, and this is the baby.
And you get an amazing consistency.
Consistency.
Yes, you can replicate it very easily.
So which ratio are you using?
I'm using 1:16.
1:16 ratio.
For me, it's really lovely in a way that you get the cleanness and I would say the really remarkable acidity of I don't know, origami, but you get the body and like that syrupy feeling on the mouth like a AeroPress. So then you just take it for a spin, and trust me, you never get bored of doing this. It's just so pleasingly. I'll hold it for you. You want to do it?
So how to do it?
Yep. Just pull this a little bit.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's so smooth.
Yeah. It's amazing.
I mean, it comes to the craftsmanship is unbelievable. How long
Yeah.
are you using to wait for that?
How was it?
How long are you gonna wait?
Oh yeah. I wait a little bit. Everybody has their own recipe, but yeah, I just don't try to make it like too hard. Be consistent.
So we're about to
So
drink geisha
now, hello. As the Chicago River, it goes backwards. So you'll see.
backwards there.
Super relaxed, super clear, you know. He's getting us back to the back. Sometimes we want to supplementing.
Hello, how are you guys? I'm Hossein. Nice to meet you.
So coffee is about to
There you
be
see.
done.
Super high. Can I have a coffee?
Oh, please. Yeah.
So coffee is almost ready. So let's give it a spin. I mean, start to finish, just under 5 minutes.
You'll see that agitated AeroPress like, but then you'll try it and it will be like that acidity of a pour over or an origami. Beautiful, dude.
Okay, guys. Cheers, everybody.
Please try some.